In present-day rock crushing applications, there's an increased demand for a cubical product which meets precise granulometry parameters. In order to achieve such a target, Hatzemark employs pioneering measuring and control technology. An extensive analysis and testing program has led to the development of an impactor design in which a hydraulic impact apron adjustment system interacts with intelligent electronic control, the result being far superior to all other conventional systems. What takes place in an impactor? Principally, an impactor comprises a housing and a rotor with blow bars and impact aprons. The Hatzemark design offers additionally hydraulic impact apron adjustment, sensors and control elements for the interactive regulation of gap settings and rotor speed. This unrivaled technology offers the further advantage that the impact aprons immediately retract on entry of uncrushables, like broken bucket teeth, etc., and then return automatically and just as quickly to their preset positions. Sure protection for all mechanical components and an ideal facility for gap setting and rotor speed regulation. What happens with different gap settings? If one follows the route of a rock from its entry into the impactor, past the blow bars and impact aprons through to the outlet, it becomes clear that different gap settings result in differing deflection frequencies and thus varying degrees of material crushing efficiency. In other words, a narrow gap means more fine, a large gap more coarse material. The granulometry of the material is greatly influenced by the rotor tip speed as well as the gap setting. A high rotor speed means a higher percentage of finer material and less coarse material. A lower rotor speed produces the reverse effect. What else can Hatzemark impactors offer? Hatzemark impactors have the advantage of intelligent electronics to control all variable parameters such as gap settings, rotor tip speed, and even the mode of impact apron retraction. All surveillance and monitoring operations can be effected from the control room with the possibility of integration into a visual display system. As well as the normal speed regulation of the rotor, hydraulic adjustment of the impact apron gaps serves to implement the control commands. The resultant advantages are quick and easy gap adjustment, impact apron retraction according to feed material characteristics, controlled retraction on entry of tramp metal. A distinctive feature offered by Hatzemark is the programming of the control unit, the creation of so-called recipes. The parameters fed into the computer for the specific feed material and the desired product can be called up as a recipe, effecting the appropriate impactor settings. Incorporation of an automatic grain particle analyzer into this system permits comparison of set and actual values, followed by automatic adjustment during operation. Consequently, Hatzemark impactors not only achieve optimum results, but also offer considerable economic benefits. Hatzemark impactors, technology of the highest order, blow for blow.